Hello everyone, welcome back to Sincerely Kimmy. I am so excited to share this news with you all today. Finally, after almost 2 years, the world premiere of 30 Day Promise is now available on Christian Cinema. It is the movie that I played the lead. Yes, I played the lead, Heather. For those who don't know, who have recently subscribed to my channel, I actually am an actress, and this is my first feature film where I play the lead role. I play a woman who is challenged with finding out or diagnosed with terminal cancer, but also at the same time, her husband asked for a divorce on the same day. Yes, so I'll let you watch the trailer.
I'm so sorry. It's stage 4 pancreatic cancer, and it's spreading fast.
How long do I have to live?
2 weeks. 2 months. With this type of cancer so aggressive, it's hard to say.
How are Dan and the kids taking this?
I haven't told them.
What? Heather, are you serious?
Why haven't you told them?
I just have something really heavy on my heart that I need to talk to you about. Heather, I want a divorce. I think we can both agree that neither one of us has been happy in this marriage for a while.
Do you love Mom?
Yes, I love your mother very much.
Then why don't you spend more time with her?
Because I have to work.
But is money more important than Mom?
I have a counteroffer. I would like for you to carry me from our bedroom to the front door every morning for the next 30 days.
Carry you?
Yeah, just like you did when we got married.
And if I do this, you'll sign the divorce papers?
Yes.
So I thought about your counteroffer and I decided to accept it.
How do I look? Yeah, so that is a lot. That's what Heather is dealing with, and I would love for you guys to watch it to find out how this all plays out. You can watch it on Christian Cinema app, and you can download that on your Apple TV, Hulu, Amazon Prime, iPhone, iPad. All you have to do is download it for free, sign up, and then the only thing that you do is you'll rent it just like you do on any other paid movie app. It's $2.99, or if you buy it, it's $9.99. But I'm so excited about this project, and like I said, you can sit around with your entire family, enjoy it. I promise you, this is a life-changing film. It is. I don't say that lightly. And also, all the other actors that are involved in this, Nadia and who plays one of the lead actresses, Todd, who plays one of the lead, my husband. You'll see them in The Quad. You'll see her in Orange is the New Black. Also Spike Lee, She's Gotta Have It Too. And of course, you've seen me, I hope, in Hunger Games, so the first one. But so a lot of talent, a lot of love, heart, and sweat went into this. And also our creator, Corey, who none of this would be possible without him. It was a family, and I would love for you guys just to check it out. Again, it's 30 Day Promise. Thank you guys so much for all the love, support, just waiting for this trailer, for this movie to finally make its world premiere. So now you can go check it out. So it's 30 Days Promise. I'm gonna put 30 Day Promise. I'm gonna put everything down in the description bar. And I hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving. Again, thank you guys so much for all your love, support, and let me know what you think about the movie. So I will see you in the next video, but until the next time, and happy Thanksgiving, Sincerely Kimmy.